my little brother George. This is Mummy Pig. And this is Daddy Pig. Peppa Pig. Bird spotting.
It is a lovely sunny day at Peppa's house. Granny and Grandpa Pig have come to visit.
Hello, everyone.
I like your funny hat, Grandpa.
Thank you, Peppa. Today I'm doing a bit of bird spotting.
What's bird spotting?
It's Grandpa's latest little hobby. I suppose it keeps him happy.
Yes. I look for birds, and when I spot them, I tick them off in my book. Look, this is a robin redbreast. I spotted one in my garden.
Ooh!
Of course, what I'd love to spot is a very rare bird, like a cuckoo.
Never mind, Grandpa. I'm sure you will one day.
Yes. In fact, I was actually hoping to do a bit of bird spotting before lunch, if that's okay.
No problem. Lunch won't be ready for ages.
Grandpa, can George and me go bird spotting too?
Of course you can, Peppa.
We'll call you when lunch is ready.
The best place to spot birds is where there are trees. Birds like trees.
But there aren't any birdies here, Grandpa.
Ah, but I know a clever trick. We pretend to be a bird. Then hopefully a bird will hear our call and fly here.
Look, Grandpa, a birdie.
Ah, yes, that is a sparrow. A good start.
Here are Mr. Stallion and Mrs. Corgi. Ah, Grandpa Pig.
I see you're doing some bird spotting.
Yes.
Us too. We've just spotted one of our rarest birds in the world.
A ribbon-tailed bird of paradise. Amazing to find one this far north.
Well done. I spotted a sparrow.
Oh, yes, a common sparrow.
Well done, you.
See you later.
Bye. Now, let's do some more bird calls.
I can do a duck. Quack, quack. It worked.
I wonder if there's a duck in my book.
Mrs. Duck must be in your book. She is very special.
Of course she is. Ah, here we go. A duck.
And George can do a pigeon. Do your pigeon, George. Look, Grandpa, pigeons.
They seem to have left pigeons out of my book.
How are you doing, Grandpa Pig?
Spotted any rare birds?
We saw a duck and some pigeons.
And I have high hopes of spotting a cuckoo.
Peppa, George, Grandpa, lunch is ready.
Oh, goody.
Bye.
A cuckoo, you say?
How were you planning on spotting a cuckoo?
Oh, you know, I was just going to call cuckoo. My goodness, it worked.
Well done, old chap.
Cuckoo. It's inside the house.
Oh, that is not a real cuckoo. That is Peppa's toy cuckoo clock.
Sorry to barge in like this, but Grandpa Pig has heard a cuckoo.
You're in here somewhere.
But, Grandpa...
Quiet, everyone. We don't want to scare the cuckoo away. Ah! Oh, it's a cuckoo clock. That means I can't tick it off in my book.
But, Grandpa, my cuckoo clock is very special.
It certainly is. I think you should tick it off.
I would if it was me.
What does everyone else think?
Strictly speaking, it's...
Okay, if everyone thinks it's fair.
Hooray!
Grandpa Pig loves bird spotting. Everybody loves bird spotting.
Peppa Pig. Peppa Pig. Peppa